Communism is a dead ideology. Communism is a rejected ideology. Communism is a failed ideology. Discard that ideology. Discard that party. Leave the Communist Party. Come and join the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is the party of the future. Come and join with us. Let us build a new Kerala. Let us build a new India. Communism has been rejected in Cuba. Communism has failed in Russia. Communism has failed in China. Communism has failed in every part of the world. Communism has failed in Venezuela. Communism has also been rejected in West Bengal. Now it is the time of Kerala to reject this pernicious, dirty ideology of communism. Let us throw communism out. Communism is history. BJP is future. Communisatinde kalam karinyu. Inivarennuda tamara kalamana. This is the Bharatiya Janata Party's time. The BJP started with only a few people. Handful of people. The BJP and the Janasangh began its journey in the most smallest, humblest manner. We were once a party which had only 2 MPs. But the Ashwamedha Yagna of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which started with 2 MPs, has today resulted in 303 MPs in the country. In the same way, we will fight every election. We will improve in every election. We will increase our vote share. We will keep winning the hearts of Keralites until in the next election, in the coming election, we will form a complete majority Bharatiya Janata Party Sarkar in Kerala. BJP is the present. BJP is the future. Congress and Communists are history. Throw them into the dustbin. Come, let us go and embrace a strong future. I ask all of my young brothers and sisters of Kerala, come, join all of us Kannadigas. Bring BJP in Kerala, just like how we brought it way back in Karnataka. Let us bring a new era of development, new era of prosperity, new era of growth in Kerala, led by the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is my request to you. Malayalam is a great language. The sound of the Malayalam language itself is like the mantra. It has so much power. I request all of you to join me in saying a few slogans. Arimadhibaranam illadakan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Arimadhibaranam illadakan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Yuvajanadakka koral nalgan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Vishwasangada samrakshakyan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Teevravadam illadakan.
Namukku vedam BJP. Kai uyarthi.
Teevravadam illadakan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Kolapataka rashtriyam illadakan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Vikasam ivide sadhyamakan.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Namukku vedam BJP.
Namukku vedam BJP. Sashtanga namaskar to all of you. Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Vande
Mataram.
Vande
Mataram.
Vande.
Mataram.
I make my Sirasashtanga pranams at the lotus feet of Adi Shankara, Narayana Guru, Ayankari, and all the great sons and daughters of Kerala. Thank you so much for listening to me.